If your wood has an old glossy seal, this guide shows how to remove it safely and prepare the surface again. First, check the wooden area and identify where the Thompson's WaterSeal coating is covering the surface. Before removing anything, inspect the wood carefully to understand how strong the old coating is. A small test area helps you choose the right removal method without damaging the wood. Start by cleaning the sealed wood because dirt can block the removal process. Use a soft brush to clear away dust and loose debris from the wooden surface. Apply a suitable wood cleaner to help break down surface buildup and residue. Let the cleaner work briefly before scrubbing the sealed wooden boards. Scrub the surface with a nylon brush to loosen dirt and old coating layers. Keep brushing until the surface looks cleaner and more prepared. Cleaning first makes the old Thompson's WaterSeal easier to remove later. Rinse the wood thoroughly to wash away cleaner and loosen material. Use a garden hose to remove leftover solution from the wooden boards. Allow the wood to dry completely before continuing with the next step. Dry wood makes it easier to see remaining seal coating clearly. Check the surface and look for areas where the old finish still remains. Compare different spots to find sections that need more treatment. Test a small area with wood stripper before treating the whole surface. Apply the stripper carefully and cover only the sealed wooden section. Wait for the product to soften the old coating properly. You should notice the old finish becoming easier to lift from the wood. Use a scraper gently to remove the softened seal residue. Avoid pressing too hard because you want to protect the wood grain. Repeat the process on any areas where the old coating remains. Continue until most of the Thompson's WaterSeal layer has been removed. Wash the wood again to clear away leftover stripper and residue. The natural wood texture should become more visible after cleaning. Light sanding can smooth rough spots and prepare the surface. Sand gently to avoid removing too much wood material. Now the wood is cleaner and ready for a fresh, protective finish. The old seal has been removed and the surface is ready for its next treatment.